Hello, dear colleagues. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It's me. It's StoryTime English. We tell stories in English and we help you learn English. And today, I have a very interesting topic. This story is about a time when I was a little lost. Okay, let's get started. So, this story is a true story from my life. So, once upon a time, I went to a big supermarket. Okay, I'm going to describe the supermarket now. It was huge. There were lots of aisles, okay? They were really long aisles, and they had lots of products. Normally, in my city, we don't have supermarkets like that. We have small supermarkets and small stores. But when I traveled to another city in my country, I saw this big supermarket and I thought, wow, let's go inside. Okay, and it was really busy. There were many customers inside, and also there were many employees, workers. And the clients were pushing their carts and they were putting things into their carts. Sometimes they were taking things off the shelves. Sometimes they were talking with each other. It was a really busy day at the supermarket. Okay, so why did I go to the supermarket? Well, I needed some food. I needed to do my weekly groceries. Okay, so what did I do first? I got a cart. Okay, you know how it is. You get the cart, and then you start walking. And in this case, I started walking through the aisles. Okay, so what was the first thing I wanted to buy? Well, I needed some vegetables. So I went to the vegetable section, and the vegetable section was in the first aisle. Okay, so I went there and I started looking. What did I want to buy? Let me think. Oh, carrots. I need some carrots. So I took some carrots and then I put them into my cart. And after that, I started walking again. Where should I go? What should I buy next? Let me think. Yes, I need some fruits. So I need to go to the fruit section. So I started walking to the fruit section. And the fruit section was between the fourth and fifth aisle. Okay? So I started walking, and then I found the fruits. What fruits did I want to buy? I wanted to buy some apples, okay, and some bananas, okay, and some bananas, and I put them in my cart. And I put them in my cart. And then I continued my shopping. Where should I go next? Let me think. Yes, I need to go to the dairy aisle. I need some milk. So I started walking again. And the dairy aisle was in the last part of the supermarket. So I continued walking. I passed the sixth aisle. I passed the seventh aisle. I passed the eighth aisle. And then, I arrived to the last aisle. And when I arrived to the last aisle, I could see many products. Okay. There was bread. There was cheese. There was yogurt. But where was the milk? I looked left. I looked right. I looked up, but I couldn't find the milk anywhere. And I kept walking in that aisle. Because I thought maybe at the end of the aisle there would be the dairy products. But no, there was nothing. And at that moment, I felt a little lost. Okay, I felt a little bit confused because I couldn't find the milk. I couldn't find the dairy products. And I kept walking in that aisle. I walked and I walked. And after a few minutes, I saw a man. The man was wearing a blue vest. You know, he was an employee, a store worker. So I stopped him and I said, "Excuse me." He said, "Yes, how can I help you?" I said, "Where is the dairy aisle? Where can I find the milk?" He smiled and he said, "Ah, you're new here, right? Don't worry, it's very easy. Just go to the next aisle, turn right, walk 5 steps, and you will see the dairy product." I thanked him and I said, "Thank you very much for your help." And then I started walking again. I went to the next aisle. I turned right. I walked 5 steps, and yes, I found the dairy products. I found the milk. I took the milk and I put it into my cart. And then I continued shopping. Okay, so after a few minutes, I finished my shopping. I took all my products to the cashier, to the checkout. I paid for them. I said goodbye to the cashier and I went home. I was a little tired, because it was a big supermarket. It was very large and it had many products. But I was happy because I could buy everything I needed. Now I want to ask you some questions about the story. Write the answers in the comments below. Question no. 1. Where did I meet the store worker? I met him in. What did the store worker tell me? He told me. And question no. 3. What did I feel when I couldn't find the milk? I felt. Now, I want to talk about some new words from the story. If you don't understand any word, or if you want to learn new words, please write the words in the comment box below. Okay. The first new word is aisle. Aisle. An aisle is a passage between rows of things, such as in a supermarket. Here, when I entered the supermarket, I said, "Wow, there were many aisles inside an aisle." No. 2. Product. 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 What's the difference? There are products and there is a product. Products is plural. Product is singular. A product is something that you buy. It's something you consume. For example, these pants are a product. These shoes are products. Products, products, product, 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 product. No. 3. Customer, customer, customer. Who are the customers? The customers are the people who buy things, who consume things. In this story, I was a customer. You are a customer. We are customers. No. 4. Employee, 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 employee. An employee is someone who works for a company. For example, I am an employee. You are an employee. We are employees. Number 5. To find. To find, to find, To find means to locate something, to discover something. For example, I need to find my keys. I need to find my wallet. Number 6. To go. To go, to go, to go. Yesterday, I went to the store. Today, I'm going to the cinema. Tomorrow, I'm going to the mall. Past, present, future. When you use to go, we use the place. To go to the store, to go to the cinema, to go to the mall. And now I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Please click on the button. It's free. It's totally free. Click, click. And then click on the bell. Why? Because every time we upload a new video, the platform shows you the videos that you are subscribed to. Also, I want to invite you to follow us on social media. You can watch our videos and you can interact with us. And I want to remind you that you can interact with us here on the videos. Please write your comments below. We read all the comments. We love reading your comments. Write your new words here. Ask questions. And also, please tell us what story you want to hear next. Give us suggestions. We love reading your comments. Bye. See you next time.